What percentage of revenue should payroll be for pop-up drink stands? For most pop-up drink stands, payroll should land somewhere between 20 and 30% of total revenue, with the sweet spot usually sitting around 25%. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand that grew up. Every dollar that comes in needs to be split between ingredients, rent for your spot, supplies, and the people pouring the drinks. If payroll gets too high, there's not enough left over for you to actually keep as profit. Most owners only check this number once a week, but the smart move is to track your labor cost hour by hour during your open hours. This way, if a slow hour is eating up too much of your sales just from having extra staff standing around, you catch it in real time instead of finding out after the weekend is over. A neat trick some experienced stand owners use is comparing sales per worker per hour, not just total payroll, because that tells you exactly who is pulling their weight and when you are overstaffed. One big thing to watch is scheduling too many workers during slow parts of the day just because you are nervous about a rush that never comes. So try starting with a lean crew and adding people only when the line actually builds. Another sneaky issue is forgetting to count your own hours as labor cost, because if you are not paying yourself a fair wage in your math, your payroll percentage looks better on paper than it really is. Lastly, cash tips can quietly mess with your numbers if they are not tracked properly. So keep a simple daily tip log to make sure your true labor cost stays accurate. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.